Pump it up.
When I come and I hop and I skip and I rhyme and I dumb and I drop and I spit and I shine, hey, nigga, what you really wanna do? You ain't know that I'm coming to take what's mine. Every time I come and hit you with a little bit of killer, better know that you can never see me, little nigga, while I'm at the top. I will never stop on a nigga pop. See the way I run it and leave a nigga.
When you see a fly girl, do the creep.
It's Mr. Steal Your Girl.
In the body of a white girl. Freak out. You freak, say she. Freak out.
Under pressure. Under pressure.
Sometimes I wonder what it would be like for everything inside me that's denied and unknown to be revealed. But I'll never know. I live my life in hiding. My survival depends on it.
Missed it by that much.
Can a guy get some privacy?
Hey, Arnold! Arnold!
It's Mr. Steal Your Girl.
Dr. Corporate, approve memos, lead a workshop, remember birthdays, direct workflow. Bring us minds of beer, don't drink, you can live. Bring us minds of beer.
Good news, everyone!
My face.
Stand up and fight, stand up and look into the light.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do? We swim.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Fuck that! I don't need that shit in my life.
Bullseye.
Long live the king.
Surprise, cockbags!
slept a wink.
Boom headshot!
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
I don't really wanna drive home, but as soon as I
can make it slip, I can make it slip, I can make it slip.
This is your brain on drugs.
Waiting for the bus in the rain, waiting for the bus in the rain.
Nope.
Now you're gone.
Kaboom!
Move, bitch, get out the way.
That's one small step for man.